can I take the biggest one?
Don't want much. Well done.
Thanks.
Professional paleontologist.
So, I just wanted to check this bit first, and it doesn't seem that there's too much in there.
1 hour later.
All right, I'll have a couple more, and then I think I should hand this back to you, because I mean, I've been fossil hunting for, you know, like what, a decade, 2 decades, and I just cannot handle this rock. Come on!
12 seconds later.
Done. That's the last one. And there is something on there, I think.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
And actually, I think that is different to any of the sponges we found in the last 3 years.
So it's a new sponge from this place.
Tentatively, yes. That's not bad going.
No, that's mine.